Hi friends, today in this video we will know what is web browser and how to install it. So guys, web browser is an open source browser which is built on Chromium. It is private and secure browser. It automatically block ads. So for downloading web browser, search web browser download. Click on very first link. Click on download Brave for Windows. Here you can see the exe file is downloading. Click on setup file. Click on run. It will take some seconds. Guys, this browser prevents you from tracking. It is most fastest browser. It has its own search engine, and here you can open your private Tor window. Here you are very secure and no one can track you. It's like a private VPN. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video is helpful for you, then please do like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel.